Hi, welcome back to our class. Students, today we are going to learn about the double displacement reactions. These are also known as double decomposition reaction. Okay, then what is the double displacement or double decomposition reaction? Means it is a chemical reaction in which two reactants combine to form two new products or two new substances. By what? By exchanging their ions or radicals are known as the double displacement reactions or double decomposition reactions. See, how do we represent this double displacement reaction? In this double displacement reactions, the displacement happens at two compounds. How do we represent this? That is AB plus CD giving rise to AD plus CB. Means what? You know, students, a compound means what? It is the combination of a positive radical and a negative radical. Radical or ion, both are one and same. For example, you take sodium chloride. In this, sodium plus ion will be there, Cl minus ion will be there. Means by the combination of these two ions, NaCl is formed. One more example, potassium plus OH minus. Here potassium is the positive radical and OH minus is the negative radical. These two combine to form KOH. Means in one compound, what will be there? One positive radical and one negative radical will be there. And see here, in this double displacement reactions, what happens? Suppose this is a positive radical, this is a negative radical of this compound. And this is a positive and this is a negative of this compound. Always in the compound, the positive radical must be represented first. Means what? As NaCl only, but not as ClNa. This is wrong. Means in the compound, the positive radical must be denoted first, then followed by the negative radical. See here, in these when these two reactants combine to form the products, this positive radical, it is combined with the negative radical of the other substance. Okay? And here, this positive radical of this substance, it is combined with the negative radical of this substance. Okay? That is the reason AD, it is forming what? AD, and CB, AD, CB only, but not as AC or BD like that. That will be the wrong representation. This is only the correct representation. Okay. If you take one example for this, sodium sulfate plus barium chloride. If they two react, they form sodium chloride and barium sulfate. How? Based on this principle only. The positive radical from the first compound, that is sodium, combines with chloride, which is the negative radical of the other substance. They both form sodium chloride. And barium, this is the positive radical of this substance. Okay, this barium combines with the negative radical of the other substance, that is barium sulfate is formed. Okay, this is the double displacement reaction. Here one more example is also given, that is what? Sodium nitrate. In this sodium nitrate, sodium is the plus charge and the nitrate NO3 minus is the negatively charged. Copper sulfate. In copper sulfate, copper is the positively charged and the sulfate is the negatively charged. Okay, these will form sodium sulfate and copper nitrate. See, sodium, it is combining with sulfate, copper it is combining with nitrate. So, this is also one more example for our double displacement reaction. Okay, if the double displacement reaction is taking place in between acid and base, that type of reaction is known as neutralization reaction. What it is known as? Neutralization reaction. In neutralization reaction, what will be formed? Salt and water will be formed. They are the products. And heat will be also released. And what are the reactants? One of the reactant is acid and the other one is base. Okay. Examples for these neutralization reactions are sodium hydroxide plus hydrochloric acid or HCl giving rise to sodium chloride plus water. Okay. And one more example, potassium hydroxide plus sulfuric acid gives rise to potassium sulfate plus water. Okay. This is a neutralization reaction. I hope you understood. Now, if in the double displacement reaction, a precipitation happens or a precipitate formed, then that type of double displacement reaction is known as a precipitation reaction. Means what? Means one of the products in this reaction gets precipitated. Means that is insoluble. It is a solid. Okay. As precipitation is formed in these reactions, this type of double displacement reaction is known as the precipitation reaction. This is also very important. And what are the examples for this precipitation reaction? One is potassium chloride. If it reacts with silver nitrate, it forms potassium nitrate and silver chloride. This silver chloride, here it is the precipitate, in shortcut form PPT. And one more example let you know, that is sodium sulfate. If it reacts with barium chloride, it forms sodium chloride and barium sulfate. In this reaction, what is the precipitate? Barium sulfate is the precipitate. Okay. This is about the double displacement reactions. Okay. See, in this, the displacement, it is double. 2 times displacement is taking place in between the reactants. Whereas in displacement reactions, only single displacement will be there. But in double displacement, 2 displacements will be there. And today what we have learnt, that is what is a double displacement reaction, what is a neutralization reaction, and what is a precipitation reaction. And also how to write the compounds. A compound is a combination of a positive radical and the negative radical. But always while we represent the compound, we should give first positively charged ion, then followed by the negatively charged ion. Okay students, I hope you understood. All of you take the screenshot of the board. Okay, thank you. We will meet again in the next class.